there, and welcome to our channel techknown.com. This quick tour will help you in understanding about mutual funds and why to invest in mutual funds compared to stock and how to apply for mutual funds for free. Let's begin. Why would someone choose a mutual fund over a stock? Investing can be complicated and very overwhelming. After all, there are so many different options out there. From stocks and bonds to real estates and money market accounts. Whatever you choose, there's no guarantee that you'll make money from your investments. But there is a way to take advantage of the opportunities available in the market by pooling your money into one vehicle, a mutual fund. Key factors to invest in mutual funds. Number 1. Mutual funds offer diversified holdings instantly and easily because they invest in a variety of securities. Number 2. Investing in a mutual fund is a good way to avoid some of the complicated decision-making involved in investing in stocks. Number 3. The cost of trading is spread all over mutual fund investors, thereby lowering the cost per individual. The basics of mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money together from a group of investors and invest that capital into different securities such as stocks, bonds, money market, accounts, and others. Among the reasons why an individual may choose to buy mutual funds instead of individual stocks are diversification, convenience, and lower costs. What is diversification? Diversification is to reduce risk or volatility by investing in a variety of assets. Ask any investment professional and they'll likely tell you that one of the most important ways to reduce your risk is through diversification. It's the lesson most people learned after the financial crisis. The underlying theme here is that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. So, don't just invest in one industry or one type of investment vehicle. The convenience of mutual funds is surely one of the main reasons investors choose them. Mutual funds are great for long-term financial goals and should be done for a minimum time frame. Investors should not worry about short-term volatility. If your investment is giving negative returns in the near term, don't panic. Instead, keep investing as you can accumulate more units at the same price. In long run, this will help you in generate more wealth. Many mutual funds offer investors a chance to buy into a specific industry or to buy stocks with a specific growth strategy. Here are a few options. Sector funds, growth funds, value funds, index funds, bond funds. To understand clearly the importance of these different types of mutual fund schemes, subscribe to our channel and stay updated. Most online brokers have mutual fund screeners on their sites to help you find the mutual funds that fit your portfolio. You can also search out funds that can be purchased without generating a transaction fee or funds that charge low management fees. Coin is the direct mutual fund platform handled by India's #1 stockbroker company, Zerodha. Yes, Coin is absolutely free for your investment purpose and there is no commission charges. So to know more about the platform or to open an account, within 20 minutes click on the link below in the description and start taking action to save your investment and increase your portfolio. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for your investment scheme.